So this is Boatshed Cornwall. Welcome you aboard this Cobra 1050. I'm currently stood in the cockpit, so I'm just going to make my way forward onto the starboard side deck. As you can see, there are actually quite some sizable solar panels here. One mast step, and there's one forward of the mast step, and then the deck hatch. As you'll see in the notes, standing rigging was replaced a few years ago. So just making my way up onto the foredeck. So this forestay and furler is again about 4 years old, and the anchor locker. See, there are 62 metres of chain in there, and there's a Lumar electric windlass, and the remote control there is there. And on the stem head there is a Bruce anchor. So I'll just close this. So make my way back down the starboard side. I'll show you a panoramic view of the deck. So as again stated in the commentary, this has an in-mast furler, easy reef, so that's the spray head. So I'm going my way back to the cockpit now. As you can see, the helm steering, quite a neat deep cockpit. So I'm pretty much back where I started. Now just one final shot of the companionway, which is unique for this Cobra. So this concludes the deck tour of this Cobra 1050. If you have any questions or would like to know any more, please contact me, Boatshed Cornwall.